High pressure switch. Protecting your AC system. Your AC has built-in safety. The high pressure switch is vital. It shuts your system down when pressure gets too high. Why it matters. Prevents compressor damage and overheating. Warning signs include AC shutting off randomly. In Houston heat, your system works harder, risk increases. If the AC keeps shutting off, don't ignore it. Act now. Schedule your AC inspection today. Stay ahead of breakdowns. Serving Houston, Katy and surrounding areas. Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning.